Hi everyone. Today we're going to explore how we can easily start with Stellar Lumen with a Lobstr web wallet. Lobstr is a wallet that works on several different platforms, including Android and on web. Today we are going to be exploring the web wallet, and we are just going to see exactly how easy it is to start with Stellar Lumen. Okay, so to start with Lobstr, you go to lobstr.co. And as you can see, the wallet is supported on Google Play, on the App Store, and on the web. So today we are going to be exploring the web wallet. So to start with the web wallet, just click Get Started. And all you need to sign up for your Lobstr web wallet is either a Facebook account, a Google account, or you can create your own username and password. So I'm going to start up signing in with my Google account. I'll choose one. Yeah. Now, Lobstr requires you to validate the email account, so you'll get an email from Lobstr telling you to click here to verify. So once you click on that, you come here and then you have to set a password. Make sure you note your password and make sure it contains a correct mix of uppercase characters and some special characters. Now once you choose the password, you're going to come here to the settings page, and you see that Lobstr supports two-factor authentication, which is quite important as it includes another level of security for your wallet. I'm not going to enable that today, but you can explore that. It's easy to set up. So you have to choose a username. I'll go ahead to choose a username. Once you do that, you're going to get this, which is your recovery code. In case you ever forget your password, this is what you can use to recover your account. And so it is quite important. Whoever has access to this can actually access your wallet and therefore access your Lumen. So if you click email me the recovery code, Lobstr will email you the code. So make sure you get the code. When you get the code in your email, print it somewhere and save it, and then delete the email. Your email is, I'm sure you know, is not as secure as you think. So if you look here, I now have a Stellar account, this is my Stellar username, and this is my Stellar address. So with this address, I can participate. I can send this address to people to send me lumens or any other asset on the Stellar network. And then here I can review my secret key, but I'm going to leave that closed. So that's how easy it is to set up a Stellar account. Now if you go to your dashboard, which is home, you see that I have 0 lumens here, which means all I have to do is get some of my friends to send me lumen, or I can go on an exchange, go to Binance or Bittrex and buy some lumens with my address. So Stellar used to require having at least 20 lumens to operate a wallet, but they've since reduced that, and all you require as a balance now is now 1 lumen, which means whatever you do, always ensure that you have at least 1 lumen left in your wallet. Now, to send money on Lobstr, all you have to do is go to send, and then here you can add the address. So assuming you have the address of somebody that you want to send money to, you come here, you enter the address. You can as you can see, because I have no balance, I won't be able to send money now, but this is all you need to do. Now some exchanges require you to put some things in the memo, so make sure you include that in the memo and then you click send, and that's all you need to send on Lobstr. The same thing you can receive. Go to receive, and it will show you this. So a QR code that you can use, or you can give your username to people, or you can also give them your Lumen address. You can, so that will be all where Lobstr is concerned. You can go to Binance to buy lumens if you need some lumens, and that will be all for today. Have a great day.